Welcome back to our channel, guys. I'm in New Zealand at the moment, but that's irrelevant. On today's video, I got the Corona on the road. Yay! We also moved the motors into the corner, which Brad has moved now, which is great. We also have had the house inspection, and it all went all good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, smash that like button and tell some friends about the channel. What's your planning?
Fat fucking dab. We're gonna drop it and then drag it across.
Oh really? Yeah. I reckon it'll be easier to push a crane on the grass.
You're so wrong.
Really?
Yeah, fuck yeah. It's so shit. It's so unbalanced.
The poor grass.
That's my fan.
You're not gonna miss it.
Yeah.
No matter which way you do it.
Okay, actually no, we landed pretty good. Go down. It's the main leg. Can you get it back?
Whale!
Don't get in. And you have to make him sign a warrant. Yeah.
Oof. Heave. Ah, he gets his phone call.
Oh, good. With the crane. And then sometime this week I'm gonna go
Another motor.
Drop him down at my dad's shed because he said he can put 2 engines in it at once.
Welcome to the shit show.
White exterior.
White. White on white on white.
No way.
And then purple rocker.
No way. White exterior, purple engine bay, purple rocker cover. Because all the engine will have like all silver shit hanging off it.
So?
Dude, Photoshop it. It'll look sick. Lost a fight with a grinder a couple of days ago.
Oh, brutal.
It was like down to the bone. Did you see that? Oh yeah. I was grinding the doors off my Escort because I couldn't get the roll pins out. Because they're like seized in there. So I had to grind the like bits where they go in off, which I'm not happy about anyway. I was like, oh, I can't get it in this spot. Took the cover off the grinder and it was cutting, like it was upside down, cutting down towards me, and I had no pressure on it. And it was just like, goom, goom, goom. I was like, fuck. Oh. Sent a photo like straight after, like, oh no, I lost my finger. All you do is win, man.
Oh. Well, that sounded good, didn't it?
So many scrape marks. Does it go like on the bumper?
Isn't a massive pain in the ass, but it's also a bit of a pain in the ass.
Man, this car is so fucking cool. You can get like those kind of headlights for Bluebirds as well, and I honestly considered buying it just so it could match.
Yes, do it.
Have you like proper driven it since you've got it?
No.
So this is like your first proper drive?
Yeah, I drove it home, but yeah.
Mate, mint grocery getter. Wagons just look good low.
Goodbye, friend.
Yeah.
Please don't hit my baby. Beast. Oh, hold on. That's sick.
Thanks a lot.
Goodbye! So I need to go get shopping, so we're going to take the Reno. And Brad's coming. Oh shit.
Brad's coming. Alright, then puff out.
I'm sorry. You're going to be deafened by the brakes.
That's alright, man.
Are you sure?
I don't like my ears anyway.
So you got to shut your door, please, my dude. Aha, thank you. So yeah, that way, and then up a little bit. Oh, actually no, back way too far. And then down, and then left. Only a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. And then slightly down a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Perfect, thank you. And then this one. Up a little bit. Up. And then, perfect. And then that way, so, yeah. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. A little bit more. Perfect. I love that facial expression. Thank you.
Oh, that's a good shot. What the fuck? Look at that beauty. What an absolute weapon. Bye, Zave. Good luck, don't die. Oh no. Oh dear. He's backing it up.
Thank you. This car makes so many noises, it's so hard to pinpoint where the noise is coming from. I don't know if it's a new noise, but the sounds like the rear diff or... I need to put stock brake pads in it because that is just horrendous. It's got aftermarket pads in it and the compound's way too hard. Woofed. Look at that thing! Sick! Sick. I wanted to park next to him, but I can't. I'm obsessed. It's so sick. At least I'm at the right supermarket this time. I forgot cream. The cream has gotten shh window. Okie dokie. Now that they drive home. Woo! Oh, hello. Yay.
How much was it? Did you get it?
500 all up.
That's alright.
Pretty good. It's saying that it was 350 for the fender itself. Damn. So it's got that colour.
Is that the right side?
Yeah. Don't do that to me, man.
That is a cool colour. Respray the whole car that colour.
Well, it's so mint. It's so clean. I thought it was going to be like damaged. Well, not damaged, but like it had parts that were circled and it looked... It's got like a little scuff there.
I call it circle. Blue in some lights and purple in others.
That's mad. Okie dokie. These parts are all shiny again. So there's all these parts that are really gross. The only thing is I'm using paint thinners, so I don't want to get it in here because it's just going to go to metal. But all these parts. And this is all shiny. I got to do this door handle and this door handle. I'll do that now. Okay, they're a little bit better now. I didn't even notice that part. I have to do it in a bit. This bumper looks sort of shiny, but I'm just going to give it a little polish. I don't know if you can tell, but you definitely can in person. I'll do more at a later date. It's really difficult though because you can't get some of it because you don't want to go over and get parts like this which are rust. Yay! I can drive the Corona and I'm stoked. Those brakes are horrible. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. See you in the next video.